Hey, what is up, guys? Today I will be playing Subway Surfers. This game is actually pretty fun. If you guys don't have it, go download it right now. It's lit. Yeah, you guys should download it. It takes a little bit so it can load, but we can wait for it. We can wait. Don't worry. So yeah, guys, that's like, oh my god, hold on, hold up, guys, I'm sorry. Oh, okay, I got this. Okay, let me just finish this, guys. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I know what it stands for. There, whatever. Okay, guys. So let's just get straight into it. So, if you don't know what you gotta do, you basically gotta try to run and, try to run a lot. So, my high score is like 500,000, something like that. Pretty cool. And you should try to pick up the coins, because if you get coins, you could get like some sort of like this dude. You could buy him and stuff. Pretty cool. Guys should subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Like, please subscribe. Like, please. Like, that's all I'm asking you guys for. Subscribe to my channel. Please, guys. It would mean the world to me. And like the video and share. Because, I'm trying to reach 10 subscribers, guys. I know it's not too much subscribers, but for me it is, I want to have like at least 100 subscribers, 200 or 100 subscribers. Cause why not? This game is pretty fun, actually. And if you guys should go subscribe. Not subscribe. I'm sorry. You should go follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat name is PD. All capital letters. And yeah. And if you guys want, you guys could like go ask me some questions. I'll answer them back and put it in a video. If you guys want that, I will do that. And I will also, if you guys subscribe to this channel, I will, subscribe to your channel. So yeah, guys. This is a really cool game. And if you guys don't know what you guys should know, okay, guys, I'm dead. I bet you it's gonna be some money. Oh, okay, it's not money. Okay, yeah, guys. So yeah, this is my high score right here. And my name. This was what I got right now, and how much money I got. This is how much money I have right now. We're probably just gonna do it another time. Yeah, this is a really cool game. So make sure to subscribe to me, guys. Please subscribe. Like, please. Yeah. And you guys should tell me what kind of videos I should make. Cause I really don't know what to make. So if you guys want to, I could make a Roblox tycoon. Just tell me the tycoon and I'll make it. What's the name of the tycoon and I'll make it. And yes, I will be making some live videos, some live streams. So yeah, guys. And if you guys also want to add me in Xbox, my username is Cowboys011606. No, I'll just add you, and we can maybe even play together. Yeah. So right now I'm doing pretty good, Yeah. I really don't know what to say, but yeah. Oh my god, I'm dead. Oh, okay. I tried. Money. Yay. Cool. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Or actually, no, I'm gonna do one more. Yeah. I want to try to beat my high score. But if I do beat my high score, it's gonna take like 20 minutes, because, yeah. Yeah, this is pretty fun, actually. You guys should play it, like, you guys should download it so you can know what I'm talking about. And whenever I die, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you something pretty cool. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna show you something pretty cool that you guys might not know about. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. So yeah, right now I'm using a magnet, which basically gives me all the money, and that's pretty fun. That's pretty cool, actually, because who doesn't want money? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, guys. Those are not real parts, just letting you know. Oh, whoa. Got laggy, man. Okay. Whoa. Oh my god, guys. It's actually really laggy now. What's happening? Oh, whoa, whoa. Hold up, guys. I'm gonna pause the video for a second. Okay, guys. I'm back. Just needed to check what was going on. And, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, should I pay? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. So this is what oh man, sorry. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Pretty fun. I mean, pretty cool. Shows I'm like in the top run. That's what it's called. United States, and it just shows you this kind of stuff. Yeah. So, yeah, guys. This is the video. Cowboys signing out. Peace.